Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use wrap stabilizer in Premiere Pro. So if you want to use the wrap stabilizer, here's a quick guide on how to use the wrap stabilizer. So for you to be able to do that, you have to select the clip in the timeline, then click on the clip you want to stabilize. After that, go to the window, open the effect, open the effect panel. After that, scroll down to the sort and double click on wrap stabilizer. After that, drag the wrap stabilizer effect on your clip. Once you do that, Premiere Pro will automatically start analyzing the clip. This may take some time depending on the length and the complexity of the clip. After that, once analysis is complete, you can adjust the settings in the effects control panel. You can also choose between the motion switch motion, which is the retain original camera movement, or it makes it smoother and no motion. You can also remove all the camera movement. After that, adjust the softness parameter to control how much stabilization is applied. Higher value creates a smooth result but may crop more of the frame. And after that, play back your timeline to preview the stabilized clip and make necessary adjustment. And that is a simple guide and a straightforward guide on how to use wrap stabilizer in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.